Read. Aziz Ahmed's parents also live with the family. His father Altafuddin is 68 years old. He does not work now, but he is a government officer. Jahanara Begum is Aziz Ahmed's mother. She is 64. She is a homemaker. She reads stories to Farzana and Jamil. They both play carom and ludo with their grandchild. Read and complete the chart with information about the family. Check your answers. Click on the names. Name Jamil. Age 7. Job student. Workplace Chechua Primary School. Name Rehana Parveen. Age 33. Job doctor. Workplace hospital in Kushtia. Name Aziz Ahmed. Age 39. Job pilot. Workplace Biman Bangladesh Airlines. Name Altaf Uddin. Age 68. Job retired government officer. Workplace does not work now. Name Jahanara Begum. Age 64. Job homemaker. Workplace home. Complete the chart with information about your family. Write a paragraph about your family in your exercise book. Use the information in Activity B. Write a paragraph about your family. Use the information from the card. Name, age, workplace, job, class, brother, sister, parents, grandparents,